Folks, let me tell you something. It's 2025, and the world is moving faster than ever. AI is evolving every second, every single second. The future is here, and if you're not riding this wave, you're being left behind. That's a fact, believe me. Now, let me ask you, are you tired of complicated AI tools that cost a fortune and require you to be a tech genius just to set them up? Are you frustrated spending hours trying to create lead magnets, capture emails, or repurpose your content across social media, only to get nowhere? It doesn't have to be that way. Introducing Nimble AF Bots. The Duo, the smartest AI solution you'll see in 2025. Simple, elegant, powerful. No coding skills needed. Just install the plugin and boom. Your WordPress website becomes an unstoppable lead-generating, content-producing machine. With Lena, your personal lead magnet magician, you don't stress about ebooks, guides, or mini workbooks anymore. It creates them instantly. You just focus on growing your business. And guess what? Lottie, Lena's WordPress bestie, embeds everything directly on your site, capturing emails, delivering content, and keeping spam out. But wait, there's more. Buzzman and Benji handle your social media posts. Marissa and Maggie repurpose your content so your blog, YouTube, ads, and podcasts stay fresh without lifting a finger. And the best part? No expensive monthly fees. Lifetime commercial and reseller rights. Full PLR license. Meaning you can resell, repurpose, or use it for clients. It's a total game changer. Oh, and free bonuses? Absolutely. Exclusive bonuses await you, but they won't last forever. Click that link in bio now before they're gone. Folks, the time is now. Don't get left in the dust while others dominate with smarter automation. This is the solution you've been waiting for. To know everything about this revolutionary tool, visit theproductoasis.com, search Nimble AF Bots the Duo, or just follow the link in the description below this video. Believe me, you'll thank yourself later.